To set up Phantom Wallet and import a wallet, follow these steps. First, go to the Phantom website and click on the download link to install the Phantom Wallet extension on your browser. Once installed, click on the Phantom icon in your browser toolbar and select Create or Restore a Wallet. To import a wallet, select the Restore Wallet option and choose the type of wallet you want to import, such as a secret recovery phrase or a private key. If you are using a secret recovery phrase, enter the 12-word phrase in the correct order and create a new password for your Phantom Wallet. If you are using a private key, paste the key into the provided field and create a new password. Make sure to keep your password and secret recovery phrase safe and secure, as they are the only ways to access your wallet. After entering your secret recovery phrase or private key, Phantom will synchronize your wallet with the Solana blockchain. This may take a few minutes, depending on the speed of your internet connection. Once your wallet is synchronized, you will see your wallet balance and transaction history. To ensure the security of your wallet, make sure to keep your secret recovery phrase and password safe and secure. Never share them with anyone, and always use a reputable and secure internet connection when accessing your wallet. Additionally, consider enabling two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security to your wallet. By following these steps, you can easily set up Phantom Wallet and import your existing wallet. Remember to always keep your wallet and password secure, and never share them with anyone. With Phantom Wallet, you can easily manage your Solana assets and conduct transactions with ease.